Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, the question that we have is, how does Nota feel about this? It says by PSAF Live, just in, Berita, a Zimbabwean foreigner and Nota's ex-lover, has graduated. Berita, who's currently in South Africa on a student visa, has been in the past attempt to apply for South African citizen. Berita has now graduated. This means that her time in South Africa is over. She must go back to Zimbabwe according to a student visa. She is not allowed to remain in South Africa or pursue a career or pursue my apologies, or pursue a career in there as it would contravene the Immigration Act. But we all know they don't come back, but they don't go back. Let's not get there. The question I am asking is, how is Nota feeling about this? Because remember, y'all, Nota had always said Berita is nothing without him. So now Berita is officially a graduate. Can we all please say congratulations, Berita? And Nota, please, Bopa Umoya, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.